Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The base of this net bag measures approximately 2.5 by 13 inches. The body is about 11 by 13 inches. And you can adjust the foundation chain to make it into other sizes. The braiding pattern is available, the link is in the description box. For this project, I use cotton yarn, but you can use any types of yarn of your choice. This is a number 1 fun yarn. Each one is about 100 grams and is about 340 meters long. And you'll need 2 of this if you're not changing color. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and stitch markers. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using 2 strings of yarn because the yarn I have is very thin. First, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a foundation chain in multiple of 4. And I'm making 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So go ahead and make 52 chains. Once your chain is made, to begin round 1, add 4 more chains at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my total is 56. Start on the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Place a double crochet. That's yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. This chain counts as a stitch. So now we have 2 double crochet stitches. 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip 1, skip 2, double crochet, and double crochet into the next stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip 1, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches. One, 2. And this is a repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way across and I meet you on round 2. To begin round 2, 1 chain and turn. On the first stitch, single crochet and single crochet. In the chain space, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Single crochet into the next 2 stitches. And 2 single crochet into the chain space. This is the repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way across and I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, single crochet into the last stitch and single crochet into the top of the chain stitch. Now there's a total of 54 stitches and this round is complete. To begin round 3, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3 and turn. And this counts as a double crochet stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch. Two chains. 1, 2, skip 2 and double crochet into 2 stitches. Two chains. 1, 2, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches. Basically, this is a repeat of round 1. Repeat this all the way across, and I meet you on round 4. Alright, round 4 is the repeat of round 2. 1 chain and turn. Single crochet into the double crochet stitches. 1, 2. 2 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2. And repeat this all the way across. And from here, repeat the last round and this round for once more, and I meet you at the end of round 6. Round 6, we started from here, single crochet into 54 stitches all the way across, and now continue to single crochet all the way around and back to the beginning here. On the side here, along the double crochet stitch, place 2 single crochet. I'm placing the single crochet on the very edge of the stitch, but you can place it in the chain space if you like. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Along here, place 54 stitches and another 8 stitches to complete the round with a total of 124 stitches. And to begin round 7, slip stitch into the first stitch, three chains, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch, 2 chains, 1, 2, skip 1, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches, two chains, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches, repeat this until the first corner, and I'll meet you right here. At the first corner, 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next stitch, total 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches, 1, 2, 2 chains, skip 2, at the corner, double crochet into 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. And to continue the pattern, 2 chains, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches, 2 chains, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches. Repeat this until the next corner, and I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 7, I have 3 stitches left, skip 2, and double crochet into the last stitch. At the beginning, we did 2 double crochet stitches, including this one. We now have 3 double crochet stitches. To begin round 8, slip stitch into the top of chain 3, 1 chain, and turn. It is important to turn. And now we're working this way around. This is the second double crochet stitch and is always the first stitch all around. Here on the first stitch, place a reverse single crochet. Then single crochet into the next stitch. 2 single crochet into the chain space. On this round, place a single crochet into every double crochet stitch and 2 single crochet into every chain space. And I meet you on round 9. At the end of round 8, single crochet into the last double crochet stitch. To begin round 9, slip stitch into the first stitch. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and turn. From here, we are turning on every single round, and it is important to turn your work on every single round. Double crochet into the next stitch, 2 chains, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches, 1, 2, 2 chains, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches. And this is a repeat. At the corner, remember to place 3 double crochet stitches. Repeat round 8 and round 9 for as many times as needed. I stopped after my bag reaches about 10 inches. I join the round by slip stitch, 1 chain, and cut yarn. Because I'm changing color, if you're not changing color, then you can skip this part and continue to make your bag until it is the height that you like. And I'm going to insert my new working yarn into the same stitch. Before I do that, I'm going to turn my bag, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, and tie a knot. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. From here, continue the pattern for another 4 rounds, and make sure to end with a single crochet round. The next part of the pattern is making the handles, and I have already marked where I want the handles to be. Basically, I marked the handles to be on the 3rd bars from the 3 double crochet stitches. 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3. From the green to the purple is 4 stitches apart, and that's the width of the strap. On the other side is also on the 3rd bar from the double crochet stitches. And you can make the strap to be wider or thinner if you like. Continue the pattern, slip stitch, 1 chain, single crochet into every stitch into the purple marker. At the purple marker, place a single crochet. From here, make a chain of 80, which is about 20 inches long, but you can adjust the number to the length you want. Once the chain is made, make sure it's not twisted. Single crochet into the purple marker. Single crochet all the way to the next purple marker. From here, make another chain of 80 and connect the chain to the next purple marker. And single crochet all the way back to the beginning. And I meet you on the next round. To begin the next round, slip stitch, 1 chain, single crochet into every stitch into the chain, and I meet you right here. Now that we are at the chain, basically is to single crochet along the chain. But to give the edge a nice finishing look, turn the chain to the back and you'll find the little bumps at the back. Single crochet into every little bump at the back of the chain. And this is how it looks like. From here, single crochet all around for another 4 to 5 rounds. And I meet you at the end of the final round. At the end of the final round, after the last stitch, cut yarn and join the round with a yarn needle. Insert into the first stitch and insert into the back loop of the previous stitch, just like this. And this way, you'll get a nice finishing look. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!